Good morning, students. Today we are going to do the second chapter, Fur, F-U-R, Fur by Saki. This is about two friends. Um, one is Eleanor and the second one is Suzanne. The story revolves around both of them and an old man who is whose name is Bertram. He's a rich old man, and both these girls are out to woo him to get gifts from him. Eleanor one day goes to meet Suzanne, and Suzanne tells her that I am worried that I am not going to get any good gift for my birthday, and it is going to be next week. She tells Eleanor that your birthday is next week, but mine is at the end of March. Well, this is where the problem starts. The girl named Suzanne is trying to get an old friend of hers, whose name is Bertram, give her a costly gift for her birthday, which happens to be next week. The other friend has her birthday in March, which is very far away. So she's not going to get any gift from this old man. Suzanne starts to give ideas to her friend, what she should buy, what she should ask this old man to buy for her, so that she can get a good gift. She tries her best. They think of all the things like fans, some other thing like decoration piece or something like that. In the end, they both decide that it would be better to get a fur coat from that man. Fur. What is fur? Fur is of two types. One is natural fur, the skin taken from animals and then converted into a coat, and another is artificial. The natural fur is very expensive, very costly, very expensive, and the artificial one is very, very inexpensive or very cheap. So they both decide that we should ask for a fur coat from him. Now the scandal, or the you can say the chalakis and everything starts. They both try to woo him. They are going to take him to the market, to the mall, incite him and make him buy something for them, giving him examples that so and so has given such a good gift, so and so has given such gift to someone. That man, she loses him on the way because there is a lot of rush, and Suzanne loses that person in that rush. In the meantime, her friend Eleanor takes him to the shop where they are advertising fur coats, and makes the old man buy one for her. She cheats on her friend. She cheats on her, bachpandi friend, very fast friend Suzanne, and takes the old man for a ride by asking for that coat, and ultimately getting it from him for her birthday, which is very, very far away, which is in March. And the poor girl who whose birthday falls next week, that is Suzanne, is again, ignored. And in this chalaki, in this making up, in this trying to outdo each other, she is the loser. She gets the same old fan as a gift, which is just for a few pounds, for a few dollars, while that fur coat is very expensive and which she wanted very badly. That friend cheats her own best friend to get that coat from that old man. So you understand? This is how things work. This is the materialistic world that we live in. Friends cheat each other to get things from other people so that they can benefit. And this is what you see around you. यही देखते हैं ना ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਨੂੰ ਧੋਖਾ ਦੇ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਨੂੰ ਤੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਤੋਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਲੈਣ ਲਈ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਲੋਕ 2-2 3-3 ਬਰਥਡੇਜ਼ ਬਣਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ. They tell someone else some other date, somebody else some other date, and they get gifts from those people. Is that good? I don't think so. But this is cheating, and this is what these girls did. The poor friend Suzanne lost. She was not given the gift that she wanted by her cousin, by Bertram, old Bertram, an old man. And because of his wealth, she was trying to be his good little cousin. You understand? This is the story that we were going through. The second one, named Fur. It is written by Saki, whose original name is H.H. Munro, Munro. He's a humorous short story writer, and his stories give you a look into people, their psyche, how they can go to any lengths to benefit themselves and cheat others. And this story is one of them. I hope you understand what this story is. I'll go to the next one in the next